What do you know? The last day we're up here for now, and we got rain. But that's okay, we've had great weather up here. I'll do another video later so you can see how there's like a mist that gets on top of the water. I don't know if you're gonna, it's not showing up yet, but it will do it soon. There's the mountains. So I'll try to do another one later so you guys can see what happens after the rain. It gets a cool little mist on there. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll try to do another one later.